Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and compatibility. Swap in fresh batteries and verify the remote supports your TV brand or code lookup. Once done, place the remote within a few feet and clear any objects that block the IR path because line of sight matters. Make sure the TV is powered on manually and note the active input name, like HDMI 1 or TV, since you will use that label when programming codes and testing commands during the next step. You now enter programming mode. Press and hold the setup or program button until the LED blinks or stays lit. This signals the remote is ready. Next, try direct code entry if you have a code list. Type the brand code, then test power. If you don't have codes, use the auto search method by sending repeated power commands while slowly stepping through codes until the TV toggles. After each candidate code or cycle, make sure to test power, volume, and input so you don't miss partial matches. You finish by saving the successfully matched code. Press the remote's Save, Enter, or Setup button as your manual directs so the remote stores the configuration. Then systematically verify core functions: power, volume, mute, input selection, and menu navigation to confirm full control. If something fails, try the troubleshooting tip. Replace batteries, rerun the auto search, or perform a factory reset on the remote and repeat programming. This resolves most mismatches caused by weak signals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.